Hey guys, my name is Bhumi Patel. I'm a student assistant here at the Health Science Center Library, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about PubMed. So PubMed is a bibliographic database that houses over 30 million citations for biomedical literature. So it ranges from nursing all the way to veterinary medicine and so on. To get started, we're going to go to the library's webpage. We go to library.health.ufl.edu, and if we scroll all the way to the bottom, under quick links, we'll find databases. And then we can click on PubMed over here. So if you've utilized PubMed before, you might notice that it looks a little bit different, and that's because they've recently changed their interface. So we're going to start off by doing a basic search on yoga and stress. So this new PubMed automatically interprets your search query, and it'll map your terms to their controlled vocabulary. So the search defaults to best match as opposed to most recent. And if you go over here, you can change it to either most recent, publication date, author, the journal. We're going to change it to most recent. And then over here on the left-hand side, you can see the different filters. So you can filter your search by article type, publication date, and that can be found over here on the left. So now I'm going to show you how to do an advanced search. If you scroll back to the top and click on advanced, this is one where we could add our synonyms to our search terms and kind of broaden our search. We can also restrict our keywords to various different things, but I'm going to utilize restricting them to title and abstract. So let's say I want to search yoga, and I want to broaden it a little bit to also include meditation. So I can say meditation, and over here I can search yoga or meditation, yoga and meditation, or yoga not meditation. And I don't mind if the literature that pops up is either about yoga or meditation. So I'm going to go with or, and I want it to include stress. So I would type in stress and change this to add with stress. So now it's showed me all the results with my new search query. Let's say I'm interested in this article. So once I click on it, it's only going to show me the abstract, and I can go over here on the right-hand side and press Find It at UF. And that would allow me to see the full article. But just remember, when you do click on that, you're going to need to log into the VPN in order to access it. And then up here, if you go to Send To, you can send it to the citation manager and save it as a file and send it to EndNote or any other citation manager that you utilize. There also may be the chance that this article cannot be found at UF. So over here, you might not see this Find at UF sticker. And if you would like to access that article, you can always make a request through Interlibrary Loan. And we're going to go back to our library webpage so I can just show you some extra things. Go back to the home page. So if you scroll down to the quick links, you can go to Interlibrary Loan, and that's where you can make a request if UF does not have access to the full article. And if you go to Off-Campus Access, that's where you can find more information on how to download and utilize a VPN. Thank you. I hope this was helpful.